Hi, Jeffrey Chapman here with Kitchen and Bath Crate. Today we're going to walk through Kitchen and Bath Crate Bancroft Road, a little virtual tour, if you will. This is a near and dear project to me. I was able to walk alongside the customer through this journey and really see this transformation come to light. So let's start in the kitchen and we'll work our way through. This home is located out in the country, so we also really highlighted a farmhouse feel in here as well. As you'll see on the before pictures, they already had their cabinets painted white, but the customer really wanted to highlight them by bringing a new fresh coat of white paint on. So we went ahead and did that. You'll see there's an existing butcher block top on the island that came out great with a new fresh coat of paint underneath it. If we move to the other countertops, we went with a white simulated marble quartz that looks spectacular. I love the way it looks. It really transforms the feel of the entire kitchen. And on top of that, we have the white subway tile that really brings this whole piece together and really gives that farmhouse feel. Those longer subway pieces tend to do that, and we love how that turned out. As you'll notice in the coffee bar, a great way to start your morning obviously is to grab a cup of coffee, and that specific area really transformed with the new countertop and the new backsplash and really brings this project all together. At the sink area, we went with an apron front sink. Love the way that that turned out as well. That's one of my favorite pieces of the project. And as we make our way into the laundry room, you'll see we opted for a gray subway tile, kind of a contrasting feel in the laundry area. With the longer subway pieces as well, but that gray note really looks great also on that white simulated marble countertop. Moving into the bathroom, one of my favorite pieces of the project is that marble floor in the bathroom. We went ahead and framed that in during the design meeting. We went with that specific style. It looks great there and carried that same feel into the shower niche area where you'll see the same marble hexagon highlighted in the niche area, and that's surrounded by a white subway tile in the shower field surround. So as you've seen the before and after pictures, quite a transformation, especially in that area. And then the shower door as well, obviously with a new custom semi-frameless shower door that's hinged that looks great and really adds to the feel. Small bathroom, but big difference as you look at the before and afters. So if you're interested in your own kitchen or bath, feel free to give us a call at 888-995-7996 or go ahead and schedule an appointment online at kbCRATE.com. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks so much.